Hey there, welcome back to another informative and extremely helpful video that would help you make money online in the comfort of your house. So without any further delay, let's jump right in and learn more. In today's video, we introduce you to yet another brand new manner to earn money online with your computer or mobile phone. Like a boss. You can earn $25 per minute by typing out text. Yep, it's that easy. By the end of this video, you will learn how to earn money online by just typing. Please ensure to follow our steps appropriately for a better income and success rate. Now, we will also be telling you about a bonus website at the end of our video that will pay you twice as much as compared to the first one we talked about. Don't worry, you'll have to do the exact same thing on both websites, so stay tuned till the end. The first step towards earning money by typing out text online is by signing up on the websites that provide these kinds of jobs. So you enter into these websites and sign up. And the answer to the question revolving around your head is a big no. You will not be asked to pay any cash beforehand to sign up. The sign up into the account is completely free, and you can do it from anywhere. In fact, you will also not be asked to possess particular skills or degrees to sign up. So, after you have signed in and made an account for yourself on the website, you will be asked to show a certificate that will validate your level of typing. No, you don't have to worry. We have got you, and we know exactly what to do so that you can grab that certificate. Go to your phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop and open up your browser. After you open the browser, open an empty tab and go to the website typingtest.com. Once the website has loaded, you will see that it has an option available called Typing Tests. When you tap on that, it asks you how long you want your test to be. The timing includes 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes, out of which you can choose one as per your preference. As you scroll down on the same page, right below the typing test, you can select that sort of text you want to type. The options you can select from include easy text, which includes basic and simple words, medium text, hard text, and benchmark text. It also includes tricky spellings, blind typing, story typing, or themed and professional text. If you are starting out afresh with no prior experiences with computers or typing, then we would recommend that you go with 1 minute tests with easy text. A page opens up where you can take the test immediately and you will not have to wait for longer durations. There will be sentences available and you need to type the same sentence on a line right below the given text. Also, a timer informs you about the time left and can be viewed on the upper left corner of the page where you are typing. Along with all of this, you have 2 modes in this typing. They are the normal and the pre-modes. Again, if this is your first attempt at typing, then we suggest you stick with the normal mode and ace it. The moment you start typing in the box, the timer will tick off and count how many words you can type in a minute. If you have typed any word wrong or miss out on a few letters in the word, it highlights them in red. A green highlighted word implies that you have done well and it is perfect. A gray colored word signifies that the word has already been typed. After you are done typing words, the website will analyze your exercise and provide you with test scores. The test score is a product of your typing speeds and your accuracy of words. This shows your net speed. Additionally, it shows your level based on your average score on the radar with other typists out there. This clearly indicates the already existing competition. So, this will be the certificate you submit in your application as a typist. Along with counting the number of words that you are typing, It also looks into how accurately you are typing each word and thus measures your efficiency in typing. Isn't it so good to know that it helps you out and suggests everything already so you know where you should improve yourself? But the best part is yet to come. If you are not satisfied with your scores and actually want to improvise on your typing skills, then there exists another opportunity. You could click on the typing course, which shows all the typing courses available so that you can type better and faster. The training courses help you learn everything, and you could do this based on your own pace as there is no hurry. Please keep in mind that the higher the score you achieve, the larger amount of money you can bring in. So, if you do not have top-notch scores, do take your time in learning and improving your typing so that you can earn better. Additionally, these skills might also help you further in your future, so don't hesitate from learning. Now, after speaking a lot on how to earn your certificate and stand out from the crowd, let us dive into the main topic of today's video: how to make money online by typing text. Here, we will be providing you with a few websites that will provide you with money if you type for them. Another frequently asked query is if you could use your mobile phone rather than your laptop for typing. And the answer is definitely a yes. The best part of making money by typing is that you can make money by typing from anywhere, even on an Android or iOS phones. The first website we will speak about today is rev.com. So as soon as you get onto the website, you see the options for your job. First is the transcription, where you can convert any audio or video file to text format. By this process, you will get paid $1.25 per minute. Next off are the captions, where you can type the captions for videos. This gets you $1.25 per minute. The final one is foreign subtitles. Here, you are expected to translate videos and write their captions in any other foreign language. This will give you about $3 to $7 per minute. But if you want to do this, then you would have to provide a certificate showing your skill in that particular language. So, as you get onto the site, there is a lot of information provided below each topic that actually describes everything you need to do and what you are expected not to. We request that you go through these before applying so that you know the rules and regulations. After all of this, you reach the end and can actually work as a typist. And to do this, you could scroll down to the bottom of the page and finally tap on the beautiful button out there that reads Become a Freelancer. You will be redirected to another page where an application opens. Type in your credentials along with the position you choose to apply for. Also, add in the country you are doing all this from as it asks for it. With this, you can click on Next and do the necessary steps. One outstanding feature of Rev is that it pays you weekly, and as you can do this at your own pace, it is quite flexible. The second website we have in store for you is transcribeme.com. As you get onto their website, you can see that there is a ton of opportunities they provide, such as data annotation, transcript, translation, and AI datasets. And against all of these options, you can see the prices you would get paid for the services you provide. As you explore the page, you see a selection called Jobs. Get onto that and sign in by typing your credentials such as your name and personal details. There are also choices where you can choose the transcription languages you want to translate. After doing all of this, click on Create Profile and your application has been successfully filled out. With this, we come to the end of the video and we wish you happy typing. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any updates when we upload more useful videos. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button and share it with your buddies. Until our next video, stay home and stay safe.